letter vav is a little bit tricky because it also functions as a vowel when there's a dot either on top or in the middle. Well, let me share that worksheet together with everybody. I'm calling it Vav Challenge. And Joseph, actually, I think I'm going to give you the first shot at the Vav Challenge. There are only like 4 or 5 words to pronounce, but in Hebrew, in modern Israeli Hebrew, where we don't have the dikduk, where we don't have the vowels, sometimes the Hebrew will give us 2 vavs in a row to indicate that it's a consonant, that it's pronounced as the v, as the vav. We'll see 2 vavs in a row, and we understand that we are dealing with the vav. I think instead of my trying to explain in a long-winded way, just try to pronounce these Hebrew words for us and give their translations, Joseph, kindly.
Okay, the first one is Vav. It means to hook.
Or actually, it means the hook, like the hook we use when we go fishing.
Yes.
Right. How about the next one?
Vavo.
Good.
His hook.
Right. The cholam actually as a suffix is a possessive singular his. Vavo would be his hook. Okay, here's the challenge word. Give it a shot.
Ev.
And that's fine. You don't need to make anything of that second vav. It's just reinforcing that we're pronouncing the vav, because we might see this in modern Israeli without the diktuk, and then it would be helpful to have both vav. So your ev is correct, and you just continue now with the rest of sorting it out.
Evginis. Evginis Sata.
Close. Slow it down. Give yourself time. Ev, gi, nis.
Evginis Tata.
Tatai.
Tatai.
Well done. And John, if you didn't appreciate the value of breaking words up into syllables, now for sure you appreciate, because Joseph's ability to effectively break the word into syllables was why he was successful in pronouncing this word. Nice job, Joseph. Evgenistatai. Do you want to give that a try, Nancy?
Where am I? Okay. Ev Guinea Setata.
Close. You want to actually this
Nis.
Niece. That's right. There you go. And then this is a new exception rule, the patach and the yud, when they're combined, make the I sound. Tai. Tatai.
Tatai.
Well done. Joseph, the next word, kindly.
Avlas.
Beautiful. I've never heard of this town, but apparently it's a town in northern Israel along the border with Lebanon. I've not heard of it. Avlas. Very good. Next one, Joseph.
Avavna.
So again, we disregard the second vav. The second vav is helpful when we don't have dikduk. so that we would know that we're pronouncing a vav instead of a cholam or a shuruk. It's just avana.
Avana.
Avana, right. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I think you'll recognize the benefit of this drill when we're just in our regular recital, which we're going to move over to now. We're going to work right now with Nancy. Nancy, I'm going to give you a chance on the Jewish prayer recital that we've been working on.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope we have plenty of material here. Let's start with the word ha'el.
Ha'el, Av, Harachaman,
Nice.
Hamhulal,
Nice.
Befe, Amon.
So there's no nun.
Amo.
Good. Amo. Right.
Meshubach.
Nice.
For ar.
Continue.
Bilshon.
Nice.
Chasidai.
So this is a relatively new combination for us. The patach yud still makes the ah sound, so it would be chasidav.
Oh, chasidav.
Right.
Va'ava dav.
Nice. And we pronounce the last syllable with a little bit of accent. Va avadav. Va avadav.
Avadav.
Beautiful. Nice going. Keep going.
Of Shirei.
Nice.
David.
Nice.
Avedecha.
Right. And just fully close the syllable av decha.
Oh, yes. Avdecha.
Beautiful.
Avdecha.
Nice work. Joseph, could you give us some recital, please? Joseph, are you with us to
Yes.
recite a little bit?
Yes.
Cool. All right.
From where the pointer is,
Right. Neha.
Nehalel Ha.
Beautiful. And we recognize this next as a form of God's name.
Yahweh Eloheinu
Nice.
Bish Vachot
Good.
Uviz Mirot
Good.
Negadel Ha.
Nice.
Shabeichacha.
Right. And one of the tricks on these chataf vowels is to uh, on accents, no accents. So un shabe chacha, un shabe chacha.
Un shabe chacha.
Exactly. Very nice. Continue.
Un fa'ercha.
Nice.
Venam licha.
Nice. V'nam lichacha.
Venam licha. Venaz kir. Shamcha.
Shimcha.
Shimcha. Mal keinu. Eloheinu.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let's pause there. Very nice work, both Nancy and Joseph. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate Nancy. Nancy, I'm going to recommend that you join us as our newest Hebrew leader, and to offer you the certificate. Your reading is beautiful, and your contributions in class are so